Exploring Pluto, the mysterious dwarf planet. Join Galactic Voyage as we venture to the edge of the solar system to explore Pluto, the mysterious dwarf planet. Discover its fascinating features, its journey from being the ninth planet to a dwarf planet, and the discoveries made by the New Horizons mission. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment on what you find most intriguing about Pluto. Welcome back to Galactic Voyage. Today, we're venturing to the edge of the solar system to explore Pluto, the mysterious dwarf planet. Pluto was discovered by Clyde Tombaugh in 1930 and was considered the ninth planet in our solar system. However, in 2006, the International Astronomical Union reclassified it as a dwarf planet. So what makes Pluto so special? Pluto is located about 40 astronomical units, AU, from the Sun. With a diameter of approximately 1,188 kilometers, this small world is smaller than all the planets and even some moons in our solar system. Its mass is only 1.3 by 10 to the 22 kilograms, which is about 1/18th the mass of Earth's moon. In 2006, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft set off on a journey to Pluto. It reached Pluto in 2015 and provided stunning discoveries about this dwarf planet. The mission revealed detailed information about Pluto's craters, mountains, and icy plains. Alan Stern, principal investigator of the New Horizons mission, remarked, "Pluto is a complex and fascinating world with valleys, mountains, glaciers, and more." One of Pluto's most notable features is the heart-shaped region known as Tombaugh Regio. This area is composed of nitrogen ice and is believed to have formed from a massive collision. The western part, called Sputnik Planitia, is particularly intriguing with its smooth plains of nitrogen ice. Pluto's thin atmosphere is primarily composed of nitrogen, with traces of methane and carbon monoxide. This atmosphere undergoes seasonal changes, thickening during the summer months as surface ices vaporize.
Since it was actually a real planet. I'm sorry, is my finger pointing at you? What are you talking about? And it became a dwarf planet.
Yeah.
Is this going to elevate its status once again to full-fledged planethood?
I was an accessory in the demotion of Pluto, but I didn't
I was leading to that.
Yeah, I didn't pull the trigger. We have other guilty parties there. There's one colleague of mine who, in fact, his Twitter handle is in fact Pluto Killer. And he's named Mike Brown at
and
Caltech.
he owns it.
so yeah, don't blame me for any of that. Don't shoot the messenger.
Right, but Pluto revolves around the same sun that we do, so
It does.
So, planet or not a planet?
You're still trying to.
Yeah, I'm just trying to understand.
Yes, it revolves around the same sun, but while it does that, it actually crosses the orbit of Neptune for 20 years out of its 248-year orbit. No other planet does that. That's embarrassing. If you're a planet, you should not be crossing other people's orbits, all right? There are objects that cross other orbits. They're comets and asteroids, by the way. They do that routinely, come into the sun and back out. So, and do you know our moon has 5 times the mass of Pluto? See, you didn't know that. See, all the Pluto lovers out there, this is like suppressed information. You didn't
It's all coming out now.
It's all just get over this, all right? So it doesn't mean it's any less interesting an object to study. I just want people to be honest and clear about what its properties are.
Neil deGrasse Tyson humorously commented on Pluto's reclassification, stating, "Pluto is not a planet, it's something else." Pluto has 5 known moons: Charon, Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra. Charon, the largest, is about half the size of Pluto, making it a unique binary system. The interactions between Pluto and Charon provide valuable insights into the dynamics of binary dwarf planets. Brian Cox has pointed out, the bedrock that makes those mountains must be made of H2O, water ice. We see water ice on Pluto for the first time. Studies suggest that Pluto has a core about 1,700 kilometers in diameter, composed of water ice and rock. Surrounding this core is a mantle of ice, and there may even be a subsurface ocean of salty, ammonia-rich water beneath the icy crust. Brian Cox also discussed the possibility of life on Pluto, stating, "If our understanding of life on Earth is even slightly correct, you could have living things there." Pluto's orbit is highly elliptical, causing dramatic seasonal changes as it moves closer to and farther from the Sun. Its closest approach is 29.7 AU, and it can travel as far as 49.3 AU. These changes affect the surface ices, leading to sublimation and refreezing. Pluto's history includes the formation of Charon from a giant impact and significant changes to its surface over time. Future missions and discoveries will help us better understand this distant world and its place in our solar system. If you enjoyed these fascinating discoveries, please like this video and subscribe to Galactic Voyage. Let us know in the comments what you find most intriguing about Pluto, and feel free to watch our other videos for more space adventures.